Lahan pertanian di Karawang, Jawa Barat yang mengalami penurunan tingkat kesuburan menjadi masalah serius bagi Ajud Tajrudin dan ribuan petani lainnya. Penggunaan pupuk kimia dan pestisida berlebih menjadi penyebabnya. Pertanian digenjot untuk terus produktif tanpa mempedulikan keberlanjutan lahan. Pemerintah saat ini pun masih berfokus memberi subsidi pupuk tanpa tahu kebutuhan tanah yang berbeda-beda di setiap tempat.
Indonesia dihadapkan pada tantangan yang semakin kompleks. Salah satu di antaranya adalah soal ketahanan dan kedaulatan pangan.
Indonesia has a high potential for agricultural and food production. However, productivity issues are still a big challenge for Indonesia today. On the other hand, environmental damages and excessive use of resources in our agricultural practices keep increasing. Our challenge is, how do we maintain or even increase production in a sustainable manner with minimal use of resources? How to address the challenges of agricultural productivity effectively and efficiently while protecting the environment and supporting economic recovery? Indonesia needs to transform its agri-food system to solve such challenges. Circular agriculture is an agricultural concept that returns to nature, synergizing with nature. It means making the most of what nature has provided and minimizing non-natural resources. The benefits of implementing circular agriculture are: first, efficient and effective production, including cost savings. Second, healthier and more nutritious food production without chemical products. Third, minimum environmental damage and exploitation. And fourth, strong biodiversity and ecosystem. However, implementing circular agriculture in Indonesia has its own challenges.
Nah, saya tantang, oke, kalau kamu nggak bersedia untuk itu, saya yang melakukan. Nggak mau juga gitu. Tapi sekarang ngeluh, tanahnya makin keras, harga pupuk tinggi.
Kalau dari segi pendanaan, ya saya tentunya sangat membutuhkan untuk salah satunya perluasan, tanamnya juga ditingkatkan, sama upgrading teknologi gitu kan. Nah, pas tempat greenhouse itu hama menyebar dari satu lahan, semuanya kena gitu.
Circular agriculture concept is a strategy that we can use to strengthen the existing initiatives, encourage new ones, as well as accelerate adaptation to the agricultural sector challenges in rural areas. Aside from natural and human resources, there is also another resource made available by the Indonesian government. For example, the Village Fund. Requiring new forms of cooperation and economic models, what is the potential for implementing circular agriculture through the resources available to the stakeholders? Mark your calendar and join the discussion.